Yeah, I'm cuffed up with my baby girl.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification. So I wanted to tell y'all about this hair shop that I found here in Phoenix. And that's actually where I got this hair from. Look at the curl pattern on this hair. Look at the curl pattern on this hair. Is freaking gorgeous. Like, look at the curls. It's just crazy. I really love this hair. Somebody told me about this hair shop, so I went there and bought this hair. I'm in love with it. So I went back to actually buy a wig. So this company is called FIXXD Beauty Bundles. It looks like this, FIXXD Beauty Bundles. This shop is so pretty, so girly, so cute. I was so impressed the first time I went in there. It's like silver and girly and white, and they sell lashes, and it's just like, oh my, it's just an amazing place to be. Bought this hair from them not too long ago. I absolutely fell in love with this. I wanted to go back and buy one of their wigs. This company is known for their wigs. All their wigs are glueless, ready to wear. The hair quality is impeccable. They bleach the knots, they pluck it. It's like it's just literally ready to wear. So I just came from there and I bought this hair. I'm gonna show you guys from FIXXD Beauty Bundles. So this is the hair. I'm so excited to try this. This is the hair. This is the hair, y'all. Look at the hair. I'm having a hairgasm. Okay, so this is the hair, y'all. Oh my gosh, and this is 24 inches of like body or like natural wave. So this is inch straightened. This is inch straightened. It's thick from root to tip. The hair is thick from root to tip. It's very silky. This is she said that it's really easy to straighten. This is the hair straightened because it's like it has texture to it. She showed it to me. It has texture to it when it's not straightened. But look at this, y'all. Look at the hair. Look at this look at the lace. Look at the lace, bro. Where's the lace? Where is the lace? Where they do that at? Where is this? I can't wait to throw this on my head, man. And then another thing I wanted to show you guys is the inside. I'm so impressed on how this is like crafted and put together. So this is the inside of it. It looks like this. There's like a clip. You have a claw there. And look at this elastic band. It's like a thick elastic band that you can adjust. So even though you don't have your wig glued on, this wig is not going nowhere, honey. Baby, this wig is not gonna go anywhere. Look at how just look at how it's crafted on the inside. Let me try to flip it inside out. Just look at how it's just like, if you can feel it, like the quality of it is just so like good. Like, I'm just so impressed. So I'm going to actually, I'm excited. I'm gonna wear this wig. So I'm about to take my bundles out real quick. I just have my bundles sewed on. I have a net, and I'm gonna cut these bundles out. Even though I haven't even had this hair that long, but I'm cutting these bundles out. I'm gonna wrap them. I'm gonna put them back in my little bag, and then I'm about to put this wig on because I'm trying to see what this wig do. You know. All right, you guys. So I'm back. I took out my sew-in. I just put this little cap on. I just threw this on, but I'm just gonna put this wig on and see like what it looks like. So here we go. Here's the wig. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Let me get closer. Look at that. How about that? How about that? Y'all. Y'all. No! Oh my God! Wow. See, y'all about to turn me into something. I'm about to transform in this bitch. I'm about to transform. Girl. Okay, let me take it off. I'm gonna take it off, and I'm gonna just put it on again. Girl. Yeah. You can't tell me nothing.
Only gotta know that I'm on camera. They want me in a bit. Oh, summer. That would have been awesome. We know from here, but what else? You feel me? Still out here, B. Loves the steak and these things.
Oh my God! Hair. I guess. Oh my gosh. This hair is thick from root to tip. Look at the tips. Look at the roots. A lot of times, I know the reason I'm pointing that out is because a lot of times when you get hair, it's like thick, and then when you start getting down towards the ends, it gets really dry and damaged, and then it like thins out at the end. So you can order a wig that's 24 inches, but like after it's all said and done, you have to cut off all the dead ends, and you end up with like 20 inches, you know? But this hair is thick from root to tip, very soft, very silky, very healthy. So I'm just gonna go and cut the lace, and I'm gonna try to do it very careful. I'm really new at this whole wig thing. Like, I ain't never had no wig like this before, not like this good. So I'm gonna go and cut the lace. I'm gonna put a little bit of like eco and just kind of like style it a little bit, and then I'll come back and let y'all see what it looks like. All right, y'all, so this is the wig. This is the wig. This is the wig. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Take that, take that, take that, take that. Oh my gosh, like, woo! I just just that movement. I'm sorry, y'all, but let me tell you something about getting a new hair weave, okay? Getting a new hair weave is like the best thing ever. I don't know about it if it's like that for everybody, but for me, I'm a whole brand new bitch. This is the company again, you guys. It's called FIXXD BEAUTY Bundles. You can visit their store or you can shop with them online. They have bundles, they have wigs. All the wigs are custom. The knots are bleached. They're plucked, they're ready to wear, they're glueless, and they like so far, like y'all can see for yourselves, like look at the movement on this hair. This place like literally prides themselves on having the best quality hair, the best quality wigs, the best quality everything. So you're not wasting your money, because I can vouch for that. You spend so much money on weave and it turns out it doesn't even last you that long, or it's not what was advertised. But with this place, everything is as advertised. Amazing people. I'm happy. That's my go-to place for hair weave now. If you live in Phoenix, you gotta check this place out. If you're new here and you're looking for some new weave and ting, I got you. You gotta visit this place, FIXXD BEAUTY Bundles. All their information, their Instagram, and their website in the description box below. Thank you all for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and share. Thumbs up if you like it. I love you guys. And I will see you in the next video.